everybody, welcome to What's Cooking in Worcester. My name is Summer, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Instant Pot Cheeseburger helper. Now this is similar to the hamburger helper that you may have eaten as a kid, or maybe you're still eating it today, but the best part about this recipe is that you're going to know all the ingredients that are going into the dish, and we're using healthier ingredients. Alright, let's get started. The first step is to get a cauliflower. Now while you're looking for a cauliflower in the grocery store, you want to make sure that you look for a nice bright white cauliflower, not one that has brown spots on it. I've already washed and dried it, and I took the green leaves off for the most part as much as I could, but we're going to leave the stem intact. So we're going to put this into the pressure cooker on the trivet. And I've already put 1 cup of water into the pressure cooker. We're going to put the lid on and set it to sealing. And then we're going to turn the pressure cooker on and actually set it to 0 minutes. Yes, we can do that, that's a thing. All right, now that the pressure cooker is done, we can take the cauliflower out, but the first thing we have to do is release the steam. So we're going to do that very carefully. And we're going to carefully remove the trivet with the cauliflower on top. And it's very hot, so be careful. We have to remove all the water out of the Instant Pot and dry it out so that we can saute our onions and ground beef. Okay, now that I've dried out our pot, I'm going to start by using 4 teaspoons of ghee, which is clarified butter, or butter that has had all of the water removed from it. You can also use extra virgin olive oil if you want, or any butter that you have on hand. I set the Instant Pot to saute. So now that our butter is melted, I'm going to add in about half a cup of onions. All right, the onions are soft, so now we're going to go ahead and add 1 pound of lean ground beef. Our ground beef is cooked through, so we're going to remove it from the heat. We're going to add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil now. Just about a teaspoon. I'm going to grab a whisk because we're going to whisk in our flour. This is 4 teaspoons of flour. You can use any flour you want, but I'm using wheat flour. And now you're going to whisk in 1 cup of almond milk. All right, and you're gonna keep this heated on saute until the milk comes to a boil, and that will make it thicken up a little bit. The milk has already come to a boil, so I'm going to turn off the Instant Pot and remove the pot from the heat. And now I'm going to add 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese to the pot and stir that in until it's melted. Now our cauliflower is cool enough that we can handle it without burning ourselves. So we're going to cut the stem off and then cut the cauliflower into small florets. I'm going to combine our ground beef and cauliflower into the cheese mixture. We're going to stir this up until it's well combined. And then we're going to top it with about a 1/4 cup of cheddar cheese, just on the top. And then we're going to put that back in the Instant Pot to warm up until the cheese is melted. And then it'll be all ready to eat. All right, just topping that with the cheddar cheese now. We're going to put this in the Instant Pot, put the lid on, and you can just turn turn it on, keep warm. Basically all we want to do is have that cheese melt on the very top. Should just take a few minutes and then we can taste it. All right, let's give it a try. Make sure I have both the ground beef and the cauliflower there. You can pair this with a nice green vegetable, some asparagus or some broccoli, and also maybe a grain like quinoa or brown rice. This is a delicious alternative to the boxed hamburger helper. I hope you give it a try. Thanks for joining us. You can find more recipes like this at worcesterhealth.org. And remember to eat healthy, be active, and prevent diabetes today.